Happy morning students. Coming back to the chapter Heron's formula, exercise 12.1, the continuation of fourth sum. Find the area of a triangle whose two sides are 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter and the perimeter of the given triangle is 42 centimeter. We want to find out the area of the triangle here where the two sides of the triangle is given as 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter where the third side of the triangle is not given. So first case we need to find the third side of the triangle. So to find the third side of the triangle we have to use the perimeter here since your perimeter is addition of three sides. Now coming to the solution, given we take one side as 18 centimeter, other side as 10 centimeter. We need to find out the third side. Given perimeter which is addition of all the three sides which is equal to 42 centimeter. So where 42 centimeter is equal to perimeter is addition of A plus B plus C all the three sides which is equal to 42 centimeter. A 18 plus 10 plus C is equal to 42. So you will get 28 plus C is equal to 42 where C is equal to 42. Bringing plus 28 to the other side it becomes minus 28. So 42 minus 28 which is equal to 14 centimeter. So I got the third side of the triangle as 14 centimeter. Now I want to find out the area of the triangle where I got C is 14 centimeter. Going to the area of the triangle formula, first we need to find out your semi-perimeter which we will name it as S. So semi-perimeter is the perimeter divided by 2. Perimeter is 42 divided by 2 which is equal to 21 centimeter. Now area of the triangle using Heron's formula. So we get square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C where my semi-perimeter is 21. So 21 into 21 minus 18 into 21 minus 10 into 21 minus we got C as 14. So which is equal to square root of 21. So 21 minus of 18 you'll get 3. 21 minus 10 11. 21 minus 14 7. So when you remove this from the square root, I am just splitting up your 21 as 7 into 3. So your 3 remains as it is 11 and 7. So when you are removing from the square root, when you have 2 7s here, so 1 7 comes out, 2 3s. So remaining you will be having 11 inside the square root. 7 3s are 21, square root of 11 centimeter square where whose area will be 21 root 11 centimeter square. Fifth problem, sides of a triangle are given in the ratio 12 is to 17 is to 25 and its perimeter is 540 centimeter. Find its area. Since your sides are given in the ratio, I am going to find out the measure of the length of the sides of a triangle. So, given the ratio of the sides of a triangle are 12 is to 17 is to 25. Since the sides are given in the ratio, I am going to write these sides be. Let the sides be 12x, 17x and 25x. Now I want to find the measure of all these three sides. Given perimeter as 540 centimeter. Now our motive is to find out the length of the three sides. So adding of all the three sides, 12x plus 17x plus 25x is equal to 540. So adding of all these three sides, we'll get 54x is equal to 540. X is equal to 540 divided by 54. which is equal to 10. So I got x value as 10. I am going to substitute this x in my sides 12x, 17x and 25x. So now the first side A is 12x. So which is equal to 12 into 10. So I got the first side as 120 centimeter. B is 17x, which is equal to 17 into 10, which is 170 centimeter. Now I need to find out my C value. C is 25x, which is equal to 25 into 10, which is 250. Now I want to find out the area of the triangle where the given sides are 120 centimeter, 170 centimeter and 250 centimeter. So I want to find first case semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter is equal to perimeter divided by 2, where I got the perimeter as 540. 540 divided by 2, I will get 270 centimeter. Now I want to find out the area of a triangle. Is equal to square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. I am going to substitute the value of semi-perimeter and a, b, c value here in this formula. Square root of 270 into 270 minus of 120 into 270 minus of b value is 170 into 270 minus of 250. I am going to simplify now, which is equal to square root of 270 into 270 minus 120, 150, 270 minus 170, 100, 270 minus 250, 20. Now I am going to split up these numbers in the inside the square root. So I am writing this as 270 as 30 into 9, 150 as 30 into 5, 100 as 20 into 5. So this last 20 remains as it is. Since I have two 30s inside the square root, if I write outside the square root, it becomes 30. And for square root of 9, it is 3. And you have two 5s here. When I remove outside the square root, it becomes 5. And you have two 20s. So everything I have removed from the square root. So when I multiply this 30 into 3 into 5 into 20, I will get 9000 centimeter square, which was the area of this triangle. Sixth problem. An isosceles triangle has perimeter 30 centimeter and each of its equal sides is 12 centimeter. Find the area of the triangle. Since it is given isosceles triangle, we have two sides equal. So it is given that the equal sides are 12 centimeter. We want to find out the third side in the first case, and then the second case we need to find the area of the triangle. So given equal sides of an isosceles triangle are, so we are taking both equal sides as 12 centimeter, 12. So we are writing A as 12 centimeter, B as 12 centimeter. We want to find out the third side. Also given that perimeter is equal to 30 centimeter. So now adding of three sides, 12 plus 12 centimeter plus C, which is equal to 30. So 12, 24 plus C is equal to 30 centimeter. C is equal to 30 minus 24, which is equal to 6 centimeter. So I got the third side as 6 centimeter. Now I want to find out my semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter is equal to perimeter divided by 2, where my perimeter is equal to 30 divided by 2, which is equal to 15 centimeter. Now I am going to substitute the value of semi-perimeter and all the three sides in this area of the triangle formula. Now, area of the triangle using Heron's formula, square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So I am going to substitute the values here. So which is equal to square root of s 15 into 15 minus 12 into 15 minus 12, 15 minus of 6. So we will get square root of 15 into 3 into 3, 15 minus 6, 9. I want to find out the square root of these numbers. So first case I am splitting 15 as 5 into 3. 3 I am writing as it is. 9 I am splitting as 3 into 3. I have 4 3's here. When I remove this 4 3 outside the square root, I will get 2 3's. So and remaining is 5 into 3, which has not any pair. So it remains inside the square root. So I will be getting square root of 5 into 3, 15, which is equal to 9 square root of 15 centimeter square, which will be the area of an isosceles triangle. Seventh problem. The length of the sides of a triangle are 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 13 centimeter. Find the length of the perpendicular from the opposite vertex to the side whose length is 13 centimeter. He has given a triangle ABC where the three sides of the triangle as 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 13 centimeter. He has drawn a perpendicular which is drawn from the vertex A to the side of length 13 centimeter. We need to find out the length of the perpendicular, that is we need to find AC length. First case, we need to find out the area of the triangle using Heron's formula, and the second case, the area of the triangle can be found out by using half into base into height. So whatever the formula, area of the triangle, whether half into base into height or your Heron's formula, the area of the triangle remains the same. Find out the height of the triangle. So coming to the solution, where you have AB as 5 centimeter, I am taking one side measurement as A, which is equal to 5 centimeter, and the other side AC as B, 12 centimeter, and the third side as C, which is equal to 13 centimeter. Now I want to find out my perimeter. Perimeter is adding up of all three sides, 5 plus 12 plus 13, so which is equal to 30 centimeter. So semi-perimeter, which is half of perimeter, will get 30 divided by 2, which is equal to 15 centimeter. Now area of the triangle using Heron's formula, I will get square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So which is equal to square root of 15 into 15 minus of 5 into 15 minus of 12 into 15 minus of 13, which is equal to square root of 15 into 10 into 3 into 2. I am going to split up my 15 and 10 as square root of 15 as 5 into 3, 10 as 5 into 2 into 3 into 2. Since you have 2 5's here, taking out of the square root, I'll get 1 5 and 2 3's, 1 3 comes out, 2 2's, 1 2 comes out. Thus I have taken the square root of these numbers. So which is equal to 30 centimeter square. So calling this as 1. So where I got this area of the triangle through Heron's formula, 30 centimeter. Now the second case I am going to use the same triangle using my half into base into height. So where area of the triangle is equal to half into base into height. Now going to the figure where my base is BC, height is AC. So BC is 13 centimeter. I want to find out my AC. Coming to the problem, half into BC is my base, height is AC. So it's equal to half into where my BC is base, BC is 13, AC we need to find. So calling this as 2. What? Substitute the first area in the second area. We get 30 is equal to half into 13 into AC. So bring this number to the other side. We will get 30 into 2 by 1 into 1 by 13, which is equal to AC. So where AC is equal to 60 by 13, which is equal to 4.61 centimeter. Is the perpendicular distance of the triangle, that is the height of the triangle ABC is equal to 4.61 centimeter.